Hey guys, what's up? It's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just about to go to bed wearing my night suit, my favorite Minions night suit. And today I decided to do something fun and something interesting with my skincare. So I'm going to be experimenting a little bit and I'm going to be doing an overnight skincare routine. So I'm going to be applying a few products and keeping them overnight on my skin, and then in the morning I'm going to show you what difference it has made to my skin. So I'm really excited to perform this overnight skincare routine, and yeah, let's just get started with it. I'm going to be using all vitamin C products today because that's kind of the safest ingredient to do this challenge with. Vitamin C, as we all know, it's one of the best ingredients for your skin. When you have like skin burns and skin cuts, your body kind of requires vitamin C. It takes the help of vitamin C to repair all of that damage that is done to your skin. So imagine how well it's going to repair your facial skin and how effectively it's going to help to solve your skin issues. And also vitamin C is the best ingredient for an instant glow on your face. So I'm going to be keeping these vitamin C products on my face overnight and show you a before and after of the difference of the glow on my skin. So let's just take a picture right here. And now I'm going to move on to the application part. So the products that I'm using today are all by Mamaearth. It's a 3-step routine, and the first product that I'm going to be using is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. The second product is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. And the third and the main ingredient that's going to stay on my skin overnight is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. It is important that before you perform any kind of skincare on your face and before you put on any products on your face, you need to make sure that your skin is completely clean. So I'm going to use this face wash today. The main ingredients of this are vitamin C and turmeric. I'm done washing my skin and my skin feels really nice and fresh. The face wash did not dry out my skin at all, which is a good thing. It feels really nice and clean and fresh. So moving on to step number 2, that is applying a toner. I'm using this Mamaearth Vitamin C Pore Tightening Toner. The main ingredients of this are vitamin C and cucumber. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on my cotton pad and apply it on my face. This is free from alcohol, by the way, so it's not going to dry out your skin or anything like that. I love using this toner every single time that I want to do my makeup. I like to use this toner because I kind of don't use primers and I need something for pore tightening so that my pores are a little less visible, and this toner does that for me. Also, it makes me feel really refreshed, and it just calms and soothes my skin down. I don't know how to explain. The feeling is like really nice on my skin. So I am sort of done using the toner. Now moving on to the most important step that you all have been waiting for, the overnight skincare part. So I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. The main ingredients of this are vitamin C and aloe vera. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes with this dhakkan and then it has this other protective layer, and that is the gel, you guys. Sort of looks like an icy gel to me. Like when I go for my full body lasers, they apply this kind of gel. So I'm just gonna directly put this on my face. It also comes with this applicator. Ooh, the feeling is like really cooling. I think it contains aloe vera, so that's why the cooling sensation. I'm not going to apply a very thick layer because if I like turn around while sleeping, then it's sort of going to like transfer on my pillow, and then it's not going to make any sense to apply a thick layer, right? So I'm just going to apply a thin layer. I think that's it, and I'm just going to blend that with my fingers. It feels so nice and cooling, oh my god. And it smells also good. Okay, it has started to tingle a little bit, like just slightly. I think it's because it's pulling away all of the heat because of the cooling sensation. So So this is how my skin looks like after applying a thin layer of the gel. It hasn't really seeped into my skin. It is still sitting on top of my skin, as you can see. It's actually a mask, so you're not supposed to like massage it into your skin. You're supposed to leave it a little bit on top of your skin. So now I'm gonna crash on my bed, go to sleep, and see you guys in the morning and show you if this entire overnight skincare regime has made any difference on my skin. So good night. Hey guys, so I just got up. I'm a total mess right now. Please don't mind my hair. I haven't even had a bath. I haven't even brushed my teeth. Nothing. Filming first thing in the morning. Okay. So usually my skin doesn't really look like this in the morning. I have like oily skin.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. So I have extremely oily skin. And my skin kind of looks a little dull in the morning because of all of the oil accumulation, but today it isn't really looking dull. I do see a visible glow, and I really like how my skin looks, and it feels also really smooth and soft. So I think the sleeping mask has definitely worked. It has definitely provided a glow to my skin. It has definitely made the texture of my skin very smooth and soft. So I absolutely love the effect of the sleeping mask, which is why I highly recommend you try this out. This is like amazing if you want that, you know, overnight sort of a glow. If you have like an occasion coming up in the morning and you didn't have the time to like prepare and do this entire skincare regime and everything, just put this on your face at night before you go to bed, and in the morning you're gonna wake up with such amazing skin. Like, it's gonna be much better than what you slept with. So I highly recommend this Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. I think it's an amazing product that's going to give you overnight results. So if you want that I woke up like this kind of a look, then do try this out. I love trying out Mamaearth products because they are free from most of the harmful chemicals like parabens, SLS, mineral oil, and they are infused with a lot of natural ingredients. And then again, it's a cruelty-free brand. It is officially certified by PETA as cruelty-free. It does so much good for the environment as well. They recycle more plastic than what they use. So Mamaearth is one of the best brands out there. I highly recommend you give their products a shot, especially this one. And in case if you are looking to shop this product or any of the other products from Mamaearth, then they are all available on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on their website. And you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2020, on Mamaearth's website to achieve a 20% off on their products. So yeah, that was my video on this fun overnight skincare regime. It has definitely made a difference on my skin. You can see it for yourself. I'm gonna click a picture right here and show you before and after. So you can kind of see it for yourself, the difference that the sleeping mask has provided to my skin, and I absolutely love what it has done to my skin. So yeah, that is my video for today. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, do let me know in the comments below if you want me to do any more fun challenges like this. I would love to do them for y'all. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon because I've got to go and have a bath. Goodbye.